Here's how you can fix Shopify orders that can't be shipped to your location. First, open your Shopify admin and select Settings from the left-hand menu. Then open Shipping and Delivery. Under your shipping settings, find the shipping profile that contains the products you're selling. If you need to create a separate profile, select Add Custom Profile and give it a name. Then add the products that you want to ship using this profile. Next, check your shipping zones. Click on the Zones option and select the Markets link at the bottom. Next, click on Create Market and create a new market with additional condition of the countries where you want to offer shipping. You can create an international zone if you ship worldwide, but make sure you only select countries that you actually support. After that, click on Done and save the changes. Now, get back to the Profiles tab and re-OLED the page to update it. Once done, select the Add Zone option and select the preferred countries. Finally, name the zone and click Done. You can then save the chain eggs and you will be good to go. That's all for this video. Thanks.